Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. Our last session we have discussed about basicity of acids and acidity of base. What is basicity of acids? The number of replaceable hydrogen ion present in an acid known as basicity of an acid. Already I have discussed about that. Suppose that this is monobasic acid. Already I have explained. Suppose HCl, HNO3 is having only one replaceable hydrogen ion. So basicity of this acid will be 1. Means number of replaceable hydrogen ion or hydronium ion present in an acid known as basicity of an acid. Monobasic acid. Second one, dibasic acid like sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, sulfurous acid, etc. Tribasic acid, I have explained like phosphoric acid, phosphorus acid. This already I have explained in our last session. Now, acidity of base. What do we mean by acidity of base? Number of replaceable OH ion means OH ion present in base known as acidity of bases. Example same like here monobasic acid, here monoacid base like KOH, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Second one, diacid base, calcium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide. Next one, triacid base, that is third one, ferric hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide. This already I have explained in our last session. Now I am going to start about the salts. What do we mean by salt? You know that one definition I have given. What is a salt? And you everybody know this. I have given what is salt. Salt is formed by complete neutralization of acid with base. What I say, a salt is formed by complete neutralization of acid with base. Suppose that hydrochloric acid along with sodium hydroxide, acids, this one base. Now when it's react, it's formed sodium chloride and water. This reaction itself known as neutralization reaction. What do you mean by neutralization reaction? When acid react with base, it forms salt and water. What is salt? Salt is formed by complete neutralization of acid with base. You can make the definition also. I have given what is an acid? Acid is a compound when react with the base, it gives salt and water. What is the base? Base are the compound when react with the acid give salt and water. What is a salt? Salt is formed by complete neutralization of acid with base. Now, easy and another definition I am going to give. This definition, see that during electrolysis of acidified water, we get hydrogen ion and OH ion, or hydronium ion and OH ion. Now, see that one side I am going to write sodium chloride Na plus Cl minus aqueous solution. Now you know that is any compound which after ionization give positive ion just like hydrogen ion, that compound are called acid. Any compound which after ionization it give OH ion as only negative charge ion, that compound are called alkali or bases. Now what is the salt? Salt is a compound in aqueous solution form. After dissociation it give positive ion other than hydrogen ion, negative ion other than OH ion. What is a salt? Salt is a compound which after dissociation in aqueous solution form give positive ion other than hydrogen ion, negative ion other than OH ion. Now, type of salt. Definition of the salt. I hope that it's clear. Now, types of salt. First one, normal salt. Normal salt. What do you mean by normal salt? A salt formed by complete replacement of the hydrogen ion concentration or hydrogen ion. That salt is called normal salt. Next one, acid salt. Acid salt. A salt formed by partial replacement of the hydrogen ion present in any compound. That salt is called acidic salt. What is acidic salt? The salt formed by partial replacement of hydrogen ion. Normal salt, the salt formed by complete replacement of the hydrogen ion. One example I am going to give you about the normal salt and acidic salt. This reaction you are familiar when sodium nitrate react with concentrate sulfuric acid. Concentrate sulfuric acid. Condition temperature less than 200 degrees Celsius. It's give sodium hydrogen sulfate and nitric acid. Nitric acid. Perhaps you are familiar with this equation. How would you prepare nitric acid from sulfuric acid? Or how would you prepare acidic salt from the any compound or from sulfuric acid? See that the salt formed by partial replacement of the hydrogen ion, this salt is the acidic salt. Now, same compound I am going to take sodium nitrate sulfuric acid, concentrate sulfuric acid. Only condition I am going to change temperature more than 200 degrees Celsius. It's give sodium sulfate and nitric acid. Nitric acid. Only I have changed the condition. What? Here temperature is less than 200 degrees Celsius. Here temperature is more than 200 degrees Celsius. In this condition, it's give acid salt. Here it's give normal salt. See that the salt formed by complete replacement of the hydrogen ion known as normal salt. Normal salt, partial replacement of hydrogen ion, that is called acidic salt. Now one question, that time also I given in this equation, what happen if the temperature will be more than 200 degrees Celsius? When temperature will be more than 200 degrees Celsius, it means that there is a wastage of fuel, maybe glass apparatus in which you are going to proceed this reaction. Glass apparatus will be cracked and form hard crust of sodium sulfate which stick on the side of the test tube or boiling tube, and it is difficult to remove it. Now, third one, basic salt. The salt formed by partial replacement of OH ion, that is called basic salt. Third one, basic salt. Basic salt. Example of basic salt. See that basic copper chloride, OH. You know that what are bases? All metallic oxide and metallic hydroxide known as bases. Now the salt formed by partial replacement of OH ion, that is a basic salt. See that basic copper chloride. Next one, basic copper nitrate. A lot of example is there. You can prepare from your book also. Next one, fourth one, double salt. Double salt. The salt formed by combination of two or more simple salt, that salt are called double salt. One example, alum. Alum already you know that. See that K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole thrice 24H2O. This see that this is a formed by combination of two simple salt, that is double salt. This is alum, Glober salt, Mohr salt. A lot of example already given in your book. You can find it. Next one, mixed salt. That is very important question. What is the mixed salt? Next point, fifth one, mixed salt. See that you have already studied in English grammar. I have Hagepet. You know the meaning of that. Here also, a salt having either two positive ions, one negative ions, are radical. Either two negative radical and one positive radical. See one example. Sodium, potassium, both are positive radical. Sodium, potassium carbonate. Sodium and potassium positive ion. This one negative ion. Next one, calcium CaOCl Cl means bleaching powder. CaOCl2. See that. In here, two positive ion, one negative ion. Here, two negative radical are ions and one positive radicals. That is a mixed salt. Last one, complex salt. Complex salt. What is a complex salt? Sixth one. Complex salt. The salt formed by one simple ion and other complex ion or complex radicals like sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. See that one simple ion and one complex ion. Nesler reagent. What is a Nesler reagent? Page number 49. Page number 49. That example are given. Nesler reagent, potassium mercuric iodide. It is used for testing the ammonia. Sodium zincate, sodium plumbate, sodium aluminate, tetraamine copper sulfate. This salt having one simple ion and other complex ion. And I hope that you will prepare this one. Thank you. Have a nice day.